Hello students, I am Vijay Bamude, your physical education teacher at Vidyachil Public School, Pune. Today we are going to learn Surya Namaskar. Pose is Pranamasana. Stand at the edge of your mat, keep your feet together and balance your weight equally on both the feet. Expand your chest and relax your shoulders. As you breathe in, lift both arms up from the sides. And as exhale, bring your palms together in front of the chest prayer position. Second pose is Hasta Uttanasana, raise arm pose. Breathe in, lift the arms up and back, keeping the bicep close to the ears. In this pose, the effort is to stretch the whole body up from the heels to the tips of the fingers. Third pose is Hastapadasana. Breathe out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. As you exhale completely, bring the hands down the floor beside the feet. Fourth step is Asvasanchalanasana. Breathe in, push your right leg back as far back possible. Bring the right knee to the floor and look up. Step 5 is Chaturanga Dandasana. As you breathe in, take the left leg back and bring the whole body in straight line. Step 6 is Ashtanga Namaskara. Gently bring your knee down the floor and exhale. Take the hips back silently, slide forward. Two hands, 2 feet, 2 knees, chest and chin should touch the floor. Step 7 is Bhujangasana. Slide forward and raise the chest up into the cobra pose. You may keep your elbows bent in this pose with the shoulders away from the ears. Look forward. 8 is Adho Mukha Shavasana. Breathe out, lift the hips and the tailbone up to bring the body into the inverted V pose. Next step is Asvasanchalanasana. Breathe in, bring the right foot forward in between the two hands. The left knee goes down on the floor. Press the hips down and look up. Next step is Hastapadasana. Breathe out, bring the left foot forward. Keep the palms on the floor. You may bend the knees if necessary. Next step is Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe in, roll the spine up, raise the hand up and back forward a little bit, pushing the hips silently outwards. Last pose is Pranamasana. Join your palms together in front of the chest in prayer position.